Be ready. Start. In view of the fact that Hindi has become the official language of this country since 1965, I think that the time has come for the army authorities to conduct the oral examination at least in the regional languages of the country. The regional languages recognized by the Constitution and in English and in Hindi, so that we try to see how far the candidates who offer themselves for oral examination come up to the requirements of the army test stop. I do hope that as a result of the efforts that government will make in this connection, a large number of persons will come forward to offer themselves for recruitment to the army staff. Madam, I should like also to refer in this connection to the feeling that persons who offer themselves for recruitment from among the government servants are uncertain of their future prospects stop. I believe that under the present laws that exist, if a member of the civil service of the government offers himself for recruitment and is discharged from the army, he gets all the benefits in respect of his pension, but he has got to return his gratuity and other emoluments which he receives from the army and his seniority in the civil service when he reverts to the civil service after discharge is not protected. Stop. On that ground, a large number of persons who are civilian employees of the government are not prepared to offer themselves for recruitment to the army stop. Persons who are in the civil employment of the government, persons who have the necessary administrative experience can be usefully utilized for the running of the supply corps and the administrative service of the defense ministry stop. I think that government should waive the present restrictions in respect of civilian employees offering themselves for recruitment to the army and give the civilian personnel the right to seniority on the basis of their army service when they revert to their civilian employment after their discharge from the army stop. I hope that the defense minister will look into this matter stanza. I would also like to refer to the general feeling of disquiet that is there in this country about defense expenditure stop. The report of the defense ministry does not give adequate information about what is going on in the defense ministry stop. My good friend who was a member of the old Central Legislative Assembly will bear me out when I say that under the British government we got more information about the army than we have from our own government stop. I know that we got to protect an independent country from external aggression. Over.